Upgrades. You love them, we love them, everybody loves upgrades. At Onefinity, we've built an ecosystem centered around upgradability. From the explosive launch of the original X-35 Woodworker to the X50 rails, to the Pro Series and the innovative Elite Series, every Onefinity machine has been designed to grow with you. This summer at AWFS 2025, we unveiled the Redline CNC Controller, and the response was unbelievably positive. Redline controllers are now out in the wild, and our inboxes have just been flooded with one question.
When can I upgrade my current machine to Redline?
Today, Karen. Today. That's right, Elite Upgrade Kits are here. Starting this month, you can officially upgrade your current Onefinity CNC to a Redline Elite Series machine. With closed-loop motor technology, customizable settings, helpful setup animations, 3D rendering job previews, and free firmware updates for life. And of course, every Redline product is fully supported and warranted by Onefinity. Whether it's an original, Pro Series, or an Elite Series, Build Botox or Masso, doesn't matter. If it's a Onefinity machine, we've got an upgrade kit waiting for you. Experience the Onefinity CNC with a Redline controller and push your CNC to its limit. Available at onefinitycnc.com.